that a noise that you made?
Huh?
Oh. You never go through here. There is a reason.
Bird poop.
Freaking noisy. Yeah, move it or lose her, guys. Okay, Lisa. Lisa,
What?
watch.
What?
He's got red eyes. He's not moving, dude. He's like, just try it, man. He's like the godfather of birds. I don't even want to pass him, Lisa.
Yeah. Oh, he got me.
He got you. No, man.
It didn't hurt.
Well, no, he got your clothes. Watch out, dude. This guy's serious.
Just try to go
Out the
fast.
walking path, man.
Be gone.
Just go. Just go. Just go. Man, they're not, dude. Okay, just hug the lawn. He's crazy.
Yeah, go behind him. Because if you go in front of him, he'll get you.
Yeah. Now these guys, they moved at least. That guy's like,
They didn't move very fast, though, when you did that.
oh, now he moves. Now he moves.
I think that...
He moved now. Oh, he's getting hungry. Just had to go in this thing.
Yeah, I'm the one who got it.
Did you at least get it recorded?
And semi, sorta. Because,
Because it was awesome from my view. Because it was like, oh, hell no.